topic?
Prior to having that meeting, I just saw the topic. The topic was about, I think, PM. I didn't read very well. I had some little time.
No problem. So it's a very interesting topic, right?
Yeah, definitely. It is very interesting because I never ever think about this.
But you didn't get enough time to for preparing it, right? Not get enough time.
Yeah.
So whatever you feel like, you can share your thoughts.
No, you can.
So first question is, what one thing you would like to do after becoming a prime minister? What is the first thing you'll do?
Okay, what is the first thing? The first thing that we had to organize one meeting for every ministers, and check out whatever the work they had done, and then after that we will do, and we will just recorrect an amendment whatever we want to do. Yeah.
So that is just like the movie, like in one movie, like suddenly they will appoint a chief minister, right? One day chief minister, sorry, one day chief minister or prime minister. One
Yes.
famous movie.
Yeah, I also saw that movie.
Same thing will happen. You will gather all those cabinet members and you will conduct a meeting. So good. So here you used wonderful word again, like you're a person of choice of words. Good choice of amendment. It's a good word.
Yeah, I always try to use words.
Yeah, good. That is a very good habit, and that will help you to build up the vocabulary and will improve fluency also. Very good.
Yeah, sure.
The next question is, how would you tackle with poverty? What are
Forward.
the things you do to overcome poverty?
So for that, poverty, this is not a minute things. It is a very huge, and their area is very vast. So for tackle about poverty, so we have to start from very very tiny things. Like we have to work on the village area, on rural areas, and most of about farmers, because farmers, they are the foundation of our country. Because India is just dependent on farmers. So that's why if we want to eradicate poverty, so first of all we have to work upon the farmers and their their requirement. And also not because most of the time we just saw and heard some news that the farmer, they did like something with their life. So it is not a good thing. So we should start to do something for that. And also I just wanted to one thing that is we also work on inflation, because that's also one thing that, because of farmers, and also not farmers, but there is some destitute person who can't afford something. So that is why.
Good answer. Good thought process.
I
As
just
you said,
imagine.
like farmers are the backbone of our country.
Yeah, right.
So rather than saying farmers are like foundation, you can say farmers are the backbone of India.
Yeah, farmers are back. Right.
And rather than saying minute thing, we can say what to say, minor issue.
My,
Minor.
yeah,
So this is not a minor issue. This is a major issue.
major issue, definitely.
Okay. So use minute thing, which can be replaced by minor issue. Okay.
Yes.
So that's the only thing I've noticed. We'll go to the next question. So, what you will do to generate more employment? What are the measures you will do to increase the employment rate of India?
More employment. So first thing that we had to do, I think we will have to do, that is uh, we start vocational skills for every persons. And youth, they have different ideas, they have different skills. So we just have to push them and try to increase their criteria. And if we work upon this, then I think it will very easy for us that eradicate this unemployment, and because, and one thing that is also because the population of country is very huge, so also work upon this, like UP government has started to population control bill. So like this, we just start to do something. By this way we can do, and we can do something better.
Very good. Good thought process again. And especially during the COVID period, I think the population has been increased because
Maybe.
most of the people are like without job. Okay. So again, you used a wonderful word which is called as eradicate. Good choice. And you have mentioned like start vocational skills, okay, which can be replaced as we can give vocational training for the people.
Okay, it's not training.
Vocational
Yes,
training for the people. Like you mean to say like practical training, right? Practical skills.
definitely.
Okay, vocational training. We can give some vocational training for the people so that they will get employed.
Yeah, right. Vocational training.
So the next question is, what revolutionary idea you have to transform India? Have any revolutionary idea with you?
Okay, still, I don't have any revolutionary, and whatever we wanted to do, that is started in this era, because digitalization, internet, by in this way, something which will be better, and it is all already started. I can say almost started. So that is one thing that I wanted to add, but this is started, so there is no need to add this point.
Okay, so already started.
Yeah,
In your
started. It, this is, I think, one thing that we wanted to earlier, because if we saw in our earlier generation, so that time many things which were not occurred, but now we just get very easily. So this is only because of this social media.
okay. So I think Modi ji should listen to this, listen to your speech. You'll feel very happy about it, right?
Oh,
So you're saying like everything is going good, so you'll feel happy about it. So the next one is last question. What steps you will take for hygiene and cleanliness?
okay, for hygienic and cleaning. First thing, that awareness, first and foremost, because in right now in rural areas there is also lack of awareness. People are aware, and because as a teacher I also observe that they don't want to just take any initiative for their hygiene protection and all, even this period they are just careless. So first thing, that is awareness, and after that whatever the facility provided by the government, it's already done nowadays. So there is nothing, nothing more to add. But only one thing, that is awareness, because still in this very every corner of the country, awareness isn't. We should try to just reach them.
The first thing is awareness. People should get awareness.
Yeah.
Right. But I believe, like villages are very clean than the city.
Oh,
Uh, they are they are recycling the things well. Like for even if it is a vegetable waste, they are trying to convert it into a manure or fertilizer. But in
yeah,
city is not happening. Like we are putting all the waste in the dustbin.
yeah. This is also you mentioned just exactly very good thing, right? In villages, people are, most of the things whatever they are doing, just up to the mark. But one thing that they're a little bit careless about their children and all. I'm just thinking about this. Otherwise, yeah, if you are thinking about garbage and also, they just keep it very well. But in the city, still there is, even they are so mature and literate person, but don't know why they are doing this. Even in this period, they also aware about everything. So don't need to aware them. But yeah, I think if you don't want to improve yourself, if you don't want to do something, then no one other person just push you to do this. So they are, I think, lethargic. They are little bit lazy. They don't want to just do anything for other. if you want to save yourself, so the first priority, you also just think about the others.
Good point. So again, you use wonderful word which is called as awareness. That is a very good choice of word. And you mentioned already done. Okay, which can be replaced by already in place. Okay, already done should be replaced by already in place. And aware them, which can be, because already you are using awareness. Already they have awareness, so no need to aware them. Okay, instead of that, you can say already they have awareness, so no need to educate them.
Yeah. Okay.
So
No.
because we are using the same word again and again, so awareness and aware. So rather than using the same word again, you can say educate them.
Yes. No need to educate. Yeah.
So
Thank you.
those were the
Perfect.
things. So we have a vocabulary section. So before going to the vocabulary section, I would like to give you an activity.
Okay.
Simple. So now we have discussed about becoming a prime minister. What are the things we'll do? And I asked you a few questions. Now try to form a speech. It should have a opening. It should have a body and should have a.
Okay. About.
You compile all the points and give a speech like a 1 minute or 2 minute speech.
Okay.
So
Yeah. Sure.
this activity will help you. I can give you like 1 minute to if you want.
Yeah. So first, first I think I started by the question. What was the question? I already forgot.
Okay, I will tell you the points. Okay, first thing is what are the things you would like to do? Okay. And how will you tackle poverty, employment, revolutionary idea, hygiene and cleanliness? So those were the questions. So try to form a little speech for 1 or 2 minutes.
So yes, as I mentioned, that first I want to organize a meeting, and after that meeting, I just try to point out whatever the area where we have to correct them, and then the revolutionary thing that I already mentioned, like you know, only one thing, that is digitalization and internet, that I want to add, and but it is started, so there is no need to add this one thing. And if I talk about the poverty, so for poverty, because I mentioned that vocational training, so if we will provide the vocational training, then it will be very beautifully managed to skill youth to get any success. And the last thing uh, that was I mentioned.
Hello.
Hello, yeah, am I audible?
I think I lost you for a second because I got a call, so I just disconnected. Okay, I just received a call, so it went on hold.
No issue.
Now we can continue. Sorry.
So yeah, I think I already told, mention all the
Covered.
points.
Okay, mentioned already. So can you spell? It should be like poverty.
Poverty,
Poverty.
poverty.
Okay, poverty. It's not poverty. It should be poverty. Poverty. And yeah, so that's it. Like you were able to made a speech out of it. So I hope this activity will help you, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, we'll go to the vocabulary section today. So we have some good words here. Okay, empathy. Do you know the meaning of empathy?
Yeah, empathy means the same feeling. If someone have the other feeling and we also feeling the same thing, so this is, we can call.
Correct. So can you make a sentence using empathy?
Yeah, I have empathy with my students.
I have empathy on my students.
On.
On is the correct word.
On.
Empathy on my students. Okay. Good,
Okay.
good one. The second word is settlement.
Settlement. Yeah, if you want to settle somewhere.
No, not that kind of settlement. Like settlement is like how to say, like payment. they will give some payment and settle the issue, right?
Okay,
So
okay.
that kind of like a formal agreement or decision to resolve the dispute.
So resolve the dispute. Okay.
So that is called settlement. So try to make a sentence using settlement.
Okay. I want to settlement my previous mistakes.
Okay. I want to settle. Settlement we cannot use like that. How can you say? There was a dispute between brothers. So finally, they agreed with the settlement. Okay. There was a
Yeah,
dispute between. So we can say there was a dispute between the trainer and the learner. So finally, we agreed with the settlement.
yeah, finally I agreed with
That
the
is a
settlement.
that is a good that is a good use. And the third word is metal. Metal, which means courage.
Courage. Okay. Courage.
Courage.
Okay, matter. So yes, we have courage to start something new.
Okay. We should have courage.
Should have.
Should have courage to start something new.
Should have courage
So
to
instead
start.
of courage, you can use the word metal. That's a new word.
But okay, yeah. Metal.
We should have metal to attend this class.
Okay, we should have metal to attend this class.
That's a new word. So those So I think we have discussed topic today. So I would like to give a general feedback as
Yes.
usual. So overall, I can see some improvement better than yesterday today. Like you were able to, as usual, you are a confident speaker. I can see the confidence whenever you speak, and you are showing good facial expressions when you speak. That is an important attribute for a speaker. Okay. So apart from that, your thought process is also good. So you didn't prepare today, right? Even though you didn't prepare, you were able to answer all those questions perfectly. Okay. So it
Okay.
was like impromptu session, right? Impromptu session.
Yeah, impromptu I heard, but exact meaning that I
Impromptu
don't.
means like real time. Without any preparation, if you answer some question, that is called as impromptu.
Impromptu, yeah. Now that.
So you made it impromptu, like you really handled the impromptu situation without preparation. That is one more thing appreciable. Other thing like what else? As usual, your word usage is good one. Choice of words is good one. Like eradicate, awareness, amendment. So all those things were really great. Apart from that, like very minor issues like in grammatical patterns
Yeah.
that we have seen today.
Sentence formation, I think.
Sorry.
During sentence formation, yeah. I just
That happens like we are so here you did most of the speaking, right? So obviously
think it will take more time because I started for the last 4 months. So
oh,
maybe,
just 4 months.
yeah, just 4 months.
Within 4 months you reached this kind of confidence. That is really good.
Yeah, means about grammar, I have some knowledge. I had some knowledge, so I just started from sentence structure and also from speaking. So because I already into in a job, so yeah, little bit I had idea that is about grammar and all. So just I started about sentence formation and all, and after 1 month I started to do practice on audio call, and after 2 months I started to make a video call, and then I also started yeah, YouTube. So like this,
Okay.
that's why
I,
I mentioned, because I started YouTube without any planning. So you were about to start with planning, so that's good.
so, but good, like anything, like starting is the difficult thing, right? Once you start, you can. I believe now you are very confident through video calls, right?
Yeah, now I'm feeling better because in the beginning, yeah, beginning, most of the time, whenever I have to face online class, so yeah, because I feel hesitation, I thought, oh my god, it means I just already noticed that how many minutes is over now. How many, most of the time I do this, but now, yeah, that is fine.
Now you are feeling very comfortable in front of the video.
Yes.
That is what we need. Like, so how many sessions were over with English here? How many sessions have you
On English, Sari.
completed?
Yeah, on English, Sari. I have taken 10 sessions.
So how was your experience with Indonesia?
Yeah, my experience was nice so far. I already met Himanshu sir and Ashutosh sir and Atul sir, Ashif sir, and you only.
So you met most of the people from Indonesia, right?